with the hat sat. The cat sat. The rat sat. The cat and the rat sat on the mat. What did the cat do? He sat on the mat.
That's right.
Where did the cat sit? On the mat.
Okay, what's the next one?
Where did the
Wait, read this.
What did the rat have? He had a hat.
Good job. Say, Daddy, that's first grade work.
That's first grade work.